This tomato is full of flowers, but there is not a single fruit on it. If the flower is not properly pollinated, it dries up, falls off, and never forms a tomato. The tomato flower already contains pollen, and the part that gives rise to the fruit. Pollen must be released from the anther and reach the stigma, usually within the same flower. Outdoors, that work is usually done by wind and vibrations created by bumblebees. Without enough wind and pollinators, a flower can remain full of pollen but without fertilization. That's why we can pollinate fully open flowers with an ordinary soft brush. We gently touch the inside of the flower with a brush, and thus start its pollen. Do not rub or press the flower, because a damaged flower will not form a healthy fruit. We pollinate only fully open, dry, and healthy yellow flowers. We do the procedure when the morning moisture dries up and the flowers are not wet. We check and pollinate the newly opened flowers every 2 days. After successful fertilization, the petals wither and a small green embryo remains behind them. That little seed then grows and turns into a new tomato. When there is not enough wind and pollinators, this simple procedure helps the flower to form fruit,